Introducing the social media content done for you service for auto repair shops. Did you know that people seeking auto repair services will look at your car repair Facebook page before they decide to use your service? Auto repair shops with educational messages about car maintenance and repair tips posted that same day have a far greater chance of being chosen. This is because they will see you as the local auto repair expert. Let us team with you to do all the hard research work needed to create and post relevant content every day to your Facebook business page. Our social media content is extensively researched and delivered as an attractive graphic image with your logo. We create relevant posts that educate and inform consumers that you are the local auto repair expert they need to visit. To learn how you too can have a powerful online social media presence that is 100% done for you, just click the Get Started Now button below.